Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today, inshallah, I'm going to explain to you how we can make a line or a curve animation. Of course, we explained before we can use the brush tool. We need to double click here, and then we can use the brush. We can increase the diameter, and if we click and we open here, we can animate the line. But the problem with this line, the problem with this line is this line created by hand drawn. This line will not be straight or will not be accurate because it is drawn by freehand. So we prefer to do what? We prefer to draw a line by using the pen tool and then animate this line so the line will be more accurate. So we can use the pen tool. Of course, we need to click out and then of course we need to make the fill none to draw this line. To draw a line, we can increase the stroke, change the color for this stroke. After that, we can use the eraser tool to make an animation for this line, but the eraser and the brush will not work on the vector shapes. So I need to put it inside a composition to be able to use the eraser. Now I can use the eraser by selecting the eraser and then double click on the line. And then I can use the eraser. If I open the effects inside this composition, I can find it now. Of course, I can add a key, enable the stopwatch, and then add an animation for this line. I can add an effects like glow inside stylize. I can increase the intensity. Of course, and now you can see I have a line with the glow, a perfect line by using the pen tool, not a freehand drawn. So that will be better than using the brush only. That's it, and thank you.